In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your first Squarespace site. By the end, you'll have a clear path from signing up to shaping your pages, styling your design, and turning on the features your site needs. First, head to Squarespace and create an account. Choose a subscription plan that fits your goal, whether you're building a simple personal site, a blog, or a full online store. If you're unsure, start with the plan that matches your immediate needs. You can always upgrade as your site grows. Next, click Create Website. Squarespace will guide you through a short setup flow, answer the prompts to help it tailor recommendations, or skip ahead if you prefer to decide everything yourself. Either way, you'll land in a workflow that gets you building quickly. Now choose how you want to start. Build a website from a guided flow or pick a template. Templates are a great shortcut because they include thoughtful layouts and styling. Browse templates by category, select one that matches your vibe or industry, and click Start with this design. Don't worry, fonts, colors, and images are all customizable later, so focus on structure and general look. Once your starter site is created, go to the website area and click Edit to enter the visual editor. This is where you'll spend most of your time. On the left, you'll see your pages and navigation. On the right, a live preview you can click and change. Begin by building your site structure and adding pages. Create the essentials like home, about, and contact, and add any others you need, such as services or a gallery. Drag pages to reorder them, nest pages to create drop downs, and set your homepage. Clear navigation makes your site easier to use and improves how visitors move through your content. With your structure set, add content using blocks. Click into a section, hit the Add button, and drop in text, images, buttons, videos, galleries, or forms. Use headings for hierarchy, keep paragraphs concise, and balance visuals with white space. You can duplicate sections you like and reuse them elsewhere to stay consistent and save time. Next, customize the design and style. Open your site styles to adjust fonts, colors, spacing, buttons, and your header and footer. Make small changes and preview often. Check the mobile view and fine-tune spacing so everything looks great on phones and tablets. Finally, configure the features your site needs. For a store, add products and set up payments and shipping. For a blog, set categories and summaries. For portfolios, tailor galleries and project pages. Connect forms to email, review basic analytics, and confirm everything works as expected. Save your changes, and your first Squarespace site is ready to share.